Hello everyone, welcome to this English class once again. Now today in this video, I'm going to explain another interesting story from your MCB, that is A Short Monsoon Diary. This story has been written by Sir Ruskin Bond. Guys, Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Missouri. Guys, the Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 and he was also awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. So, here we are going to study a very interesting story of Ruskin Bond, that is A Short Monsoon Diary. Guys, basically this chapter, A Short Monsoon Diary, in this chapter are the extracts from the diary of this famous author and nature lover Ruskin Bond. The author describes the flora and fauna during the monsoon in Missouri. Guys, in this chapter, he wrote these experiences day wise. So, his diary start with the day of 24th June. Guys, the author is saying that 24th is the first day of the monsoon mist. The mist has covered the hills and also quietened the birds. The author is saying that he can hear Birju calling his sister and feels that he is running. However, due to mist, the author is unable to see Birju. He says that the mist has changed the Missouri hills in two ways. Firstly, one cannot see the hills, and secondly, cannot hear the birds chirping. Now, the next day is 25th June. 25th June. The rain is warm and humid and is thus comfortable, unlike the winter rain. The flowers are blooming. He describes the hill station as a paradise that might have been. Move on the next day, that is 27th June. Now, here the writer writes that on 27th June, one can see leeches appearing due to the monsoon. A leopard was also seen stealing dogs and other animals. Some new birds like minivets can also be seen. Minivets are bright colored birds and sit silently among the leaves. One can also see some seasonal flowers blooming. The next day is 22nd of August. Now here the author is saying that it's 22nd of August and it has rained all night. The sound of the rain on the tin roof delights him. He feels he is untouched yet is in touch with the rain. The next day is 3rd of August. On 3rd August, the rain stops and there is sunshine. Animals, birds, and humans are all out in open sunshine. The author is pleased to hear a song of a whistling thrush coming from a distance. Now, on 12th August, he writes that it has been raining non-stop for more than a week. Everything is damp, but not cold. Flowers have covered the hills. If one needs to go out, he needs to carry an umbrella. On 31st August, the monsoon growth can be seen everywhere. The seeds of the cobra lily are becoming red, which is an indication that the rains are coming to an end. Snakes and rodents have taken shelter in attics, roofs, and godowns as the holes are full of rainwater. Now, the author is saying after 31st of August, he writes about January. The author is saying this is 26th January and he wrote a poem about winter rain. He says that the winter rain makes him feel lonely as a friend who was staying with him has left. He also says that there are no flowers in winter rain as there were in monsoon rains. Now it's 23rd March and it is the end of winter. One can see a rainbow in the clear sky after hailstorm. So guys, these are some days from the diary of Ruskin Bond and I hope that it is clear to you all.